everyone, I'm Sunita from Nepal. At the moment, I'm working as the head teacher of a secondary school based in a small city of far western Nepal called Dhangari. But I love to introduce myself as an English teacher primarily, and I do find time to train teachers. I mentor schools for project based learning, international collaboration, especially how to incorporate global dimension in ongoing curriculum, ensuring 21st century skills and SDG. I'm also a research student of Kathmandu University. I'm so excited to invite and welcome you to my session, Creating Excitement and Active Learning in the Téchel France Annual International Colloquium, which is going to take place online on 19th, 20th, and 21st November in 2021. Join me in this session to take part in the discussion about learners' active engagement, creativity enhancement, and which has been the emerging focus of the English teachers around the world, I guess. During the session, we will discuss some theoretical aspects, conceptual outline about active learning like active learning overview, strategies, active learning activities in the classroom, and we will also do some comparison between active learning and passive learning and so many other things like this. Then I will share my practical approaches or pedagogical contribution in encouraging active learning so far. I'll discuss some success stories, and it will especially showcase the series of hands-on activities as an example of best practices from real classroom of far western Nepal, where the classes are basically with no resources or very less resources. And I'm hoping this session will be very interactive. More we share, more we grow. Let's believe this and let's contribute our experiences, thoughts, logics, critics together so that we can make it more productive organically. I'm so much looking forward to seeing you on day 2, 20th November in my session. Have a great day. Bye. Namaste.